Hello Stickies, today we are playing Reindeer Games. I know it's a horror game. That's it. So we're going to play. I don't know what we are doing. Alright. We are driving. We must not be in America. Greenwood Games. Greenwood Games. Christmas time. Reindeer Games. Am I in the game now? Oh, fuck. Woo, I was supposed to start 3 hours ago. It's bad enough that I pulled the short straw and have to work this close to Christmas, but there is no way I was going to miss that holiday special. Well, I'm here now and it looks like the place survived without me. I'm supposed to finish at midnight and I don't really want to stay late. So, time to get started. There's usually a note near the computer to tell me what needs to be done. Oh well, let's get this over with. Current task, set your bag in the staff hut. Happy holidays from all our reindeers. Hello reindeers. So cute, so cute. Oh, it's so cute. Hello. Staff song. Christmas. It's Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody. Find your instructions by the Pooter. Christmas. 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 Oh. Seriously? This is a long list. Let's see here. There's no way I'm getting all of these done. It's like 5 things. I'll just work my way through as many as I can. The boss will understand it's Christmas after all. I don't want to forget anything written here, so I'll take this note with me. Can any of you find that? Read that? I couldn't read that. Press R to open. Oh, thank God. Fill feeder with hay. Fill troughs with water. Clear snow from the path. Update website blog. Put reindeer in stable. Make weather report. Okay. So I have to feed the reindeer. Close that. Hello, reindeer. I'll find the hay in the feeders in the stable. Hay? I forgot which button it was. What's that? Oh. So reindeer eat hay. Christmas time. Christmas time. Hello. Put hay into the enclosure feeder. Oh, I see. Bruh, can I zoom out? Are the reindeer evil? I'm a little scared. Is this supposed to be a vent? Hello, reindeer. Coco bongos. They have names. Gertrude. Keith. What is running? Alright. More? Oh my God. But they're so cute. Apricot. That candy cane is freaking me out. I have to do all of it. I want them to escape. It's good to me, reindeer. This one is weird. Old Barney. It's old, my bad. Hello, crows. That's not a good sign. Let's feed the reindeer. Feeding the reindeer. Stop running, they're freaking me out. Okay. Complete. That took 15 minutes. Fill troughs with water. I've completed this task. I can get fresh water from the well behind the enclosure. Aight. Right there. I feel like it might get stuck. Looks like there's piles of snow are blocking it. Who are you? Mrs. Antlers. Alright, Mrs. Antlers. Mr. Antlers. Coco Bongo. Lichen. Old Barney and Gertrude. And what's your name? Keith. Keith might be my favorite reindeer. Okay, I don't want them to escape. So I have to do snow first, I'm guessing. An old portable snowblower is on a shelf in the staff hut. What happened to shovels? Christmas time. Christmas time, I'm ignoring that. Hold right click to use the snowblower. I'm a little scared. I'm a little scared. Wish it was this easy in real life. Christmas time, Christmas time. Christmas time, I'm a little paranoid. Christmas time. Christmas time. Holy shit! I have to do the whole fucking thing? Oh, we're gonna have to do a speed run. We're doing inserts. Yeah, I watched the music. Took forever. I have to go put this back, right? What's this? A Christmas cracker out here? Read the joke, throw it. What's a Christmas cracker? Read the joke. I don't know what. Why do penguins stay in pairs? Freezer crowd? I don't know what that means. Did y'all see something? Another one. I'm a little freaked out, my fellas. My fellow guys. Hello? Oh dear. Good evening. This is Hilltop Radio Sentry. How may I help you? That's what you're supposed to say. Oh, never mind. Haha, sorry, boss. Anything the matter? I just got off the phone with Mr. Robertson. His in-laws have decided last minute to drive out to Christmas dinner tomorrow. As you can imagine, he's livid. Anyways, he's going to come up in the morning with his van and stock up on firewood for the week. I seem to recall that our lock store was running low. Find the time to chop some fresh firewood and get it filled up, would you? Me? Really? If it's not too much hassle. I'll do my best. Is that all? Yes, I believe it is. Have a good Christmas. You too, bye. Backbreaker work in the snow, great. I mean, chopping firewood. Christmas, Christmas. Chop wood log. Another fire cooker. What's this? A Christmas cracker out here. Read the joke. What goes ho 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 thump? Santa's laughing his head off. Hello?
Hello, dearie. I heard your advertisement about the little reindeer plushes on the radio. I'd love to get one for my grandson. He's coming over for Christmas dinner tomorrow. I forgot to get him a gift. Do you deliver?
Deliver? It's Christmas Eve. You left it a smidge too late, I'm afraid.
Yeah. Oh. Please. It's been a very tough time for him this year, you see. His parents were very ill for a long time, and he's been frightfully worried. Also, his dog died last week, and his bicycle was stolen by hooligans.
That is not funny. Wow, I'm sorry to hear that, but there's really nothing I can do. I'm sorry.
You are a very mean person. I do not deserve to be treated this way. I'm just old and tired, trying to do my best for my grandson during a difficult time in his life. Both his grandparents died last month, you know. He said the only thing that would cheer him up is a happy little reindeer plushie.
Are you his grandparent? I thought so. That reminds me, though, I have some gifts that I still haven't wrapped. They're in my bag. Maybe I could quickly wrap them up right here. This desk is cluttered mess, though. I'd have to clear a little bit of space. Oh my god! I have so much shit to do. Holy fuck! Oh my god. Actually, what the fuck? Okay, no, that's gonna have to wait. I'm doing my actual job first.
Christmas time is here. Happiness and cheer.
Are you fucking serious? If something comes out of this well, I swear to God. How far can I get away? Oh god, oh god, oh god. Wait, I need a thumbnail. Okay.
Why is it snowing?
This is actually a pain in the fucking ass. What's gonna piss me off more is I'm probably gonna die before I even complete all the tasks. I just want to finish all the tasks. I have to put him in the stable anyways. Get him! Get that fucker! If this is like that one fucking golf game, I'm gonna shit my fucking pants.
This is why I make Bill play the games first. And yes, you tell me if they're too scary.
Oh, Barney. I can't fill the trough with you in it unless there's like multiple troughs. Oh, there is 2 troughs. Am I stupid? Ah, I am. Okay. Y'all watch for that goober. He's freaking me out. And what makes me more anxious is that this is the last one and something's gonna jump out of the well. I know it. Please, no! Okay. I don't want to put the reindeer away because I'm scared to be alone. Wrap Christmas gifts. Okay, I'm gonna put the reindeer away last because I'm way too scared to be alone right now. And the reindeer help me. Unless they're the evil ones. Ah! Or it's getting really chilly tonight. My hands have got so numb. I know there's a lot to get done, but I might just grab a quick break. I could really do with a nice hot drink to warm me up. Oh my god, you're such a little baby. Brother, ooh. It's my car. Ah! Who the fuck are you? Is this not straight?
Oh, hello there. You work here, I take it. Excellent. You be able to help me?
I can sure try.
Well, as I'm sure you're aware, there's been a number of big cat sightings locally. Perhaps you've ever.
Yeah, that's strong.
Perhaps you've even seen something you can't explain scurrying around lately.
Well, there's always a lot of wildlife around.
But nothing like these cats, I can assure you. They are truly unique wee creatures. I've been tracking them for years. In fact, it's fair to say that I'm something of a big deal in the community. You've probably heard of me. My name is George Munson.
Sorry, doesn't ring a bell.
Oh, well, never mind. I'm here to check the footage on a trail cam I set up yesterday. But, well, I don't suppose you'd be willing to come with me. I'm not scared being out here alone or anything. Of course not. It sure is spooky out here, though, isn't it? Will you come? Will you come with me?
Yeah, I actually will. I feel bad for him. He's kind of cute.
Great, I'll show you the way.
He's just scared. See, get that fucker! Look at him! He's stupid! He's pissing me off. Am I about to get murdered? I'm actually kind of scared.
Here it is. I just have a little flick through the footage, see if I caught anything walking. Do you see that? Walking past. Seems like it got set off a few times by the snow. No, it doesn't look like.
Huh?
I don't believe it! It's a big cat. You can see it clear as day. What an incredible photo. My God, it must be the size of a black Labrador.
What? Like the dog?
Look, I'll show you.
What the fuck?
You see? It's up on this it's on its wee hind legs.
That? That's a fucking alien.
Look like it's pouncing on something. Perhaps I'll leave my camera here for another night. It would be a fantastic Christmas present to the community if I present more proof. I wonder if I could ask for help one more time. Ask for your help one more time. We need to place some bait around to encourage it to come back.
I work here.
Luckily, I've got just the stuff. Here, help me spread it around.
What the fuck is this?
Fried chicken! It's my secret weapon. The cats love this stuff. Come on, we can drop it on the floor in a few different locations.
Okay, he says floor instead of ground when he's outside, and that is a bad sign. Also, no one's gonna notice the creature in the corner?
They'll come for it, I promise you. I don't think it'll be a good spot. It's a wee bit close to the one of the other spots.
Are you fucking serious? Get that fucker! You are really close. You're freaking me out. I guess we want to do it in front of the camera.
What do you mean?
You just have fried chicken in your pocket? Oh my god. Why don't you do this? Why am I doing this? Oh my god, I'm gonna lose my mind. That took 30 minutes!
That's great. I'll have to come by in the morning and check it out. Thank you for helping me. I keep thinking I hear something out here with us. I thought I saw something prowling around. I'm going to head back to my van. I have a cup of tea before my thermos gets cold. Thanks again.
You are pissing me off. Alright. Was he even real? I can't. Wait, now I'm out here scared and alone. Gather wood logs in basket. I don't even get to chop the wood. Dude, there's like fucking cougars out here. And not the good kind.
Christmas time is here, gathering slim gems in the snow.
Oh, now I chop them. Chop, 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 chop. Goofy ass game. Am I done? Oh my god, this game wants me to do literally everything. Task complete. Okay, where is he?
I'm gonna make you wear a little dress, not you.
This guy's pissing me off. I'm starting to think this might not be a 10 to 20 minute game. More like a 20 to 40 minute game. Where did George Munster go? Am I done? 12:05. It's Christmas! Adieu. Okay. My shift is over. I sure could have got more done, but I'm not a miracle worker. Perfect is the enemy of good, as they say. What? Wait, it's past midnight. That means it's officially Christmas Day. Merry Christmas, all! Oh, I was hoping for more of an echo. Sorry for yelling, old Barney. I better get going. Wait, I want to finish my tasks. I want to actually finish. Maybe, I think this was important. Wait, I want to. What on earth? The door is broken. When did this happen? It looked like it was ripped apart. I'll leave it open so y'all can come inside. But I think I'm gonna go because I'm kind of paranoid. I'm scared. Ah, what? Oh, I'm tweaking. Wait, I didn't even wrap Christmas presents. Get in your car and go home. I'm really scared. I'm not opening that. I'm scared. Ah! I really want to open it. Somebody clearly left this here for me. It would be rude not to. I'm scared. Magic 8 Ball? Huh? Whoa, they had these on top of 100 Christmas gifts. Amazing. Another one? I mean, it's clearly a trap. Okay, I am already invested, I guess. Presents for me. What is it? Fortnite gun. Another one. Don't mind if I do. A Rubik's Cube. How thoughtful. Alright. Crows love gingerbread cookies. Oh, what's in this one? A gingerbread cookie. A Tamagotchi. You know, only a fool wouldn't open a free Christmas present. Slinky? Oh.
Move it, bitch! My Christmas gift.
Ew, I don't want that. Alright, I guess we're just gonna keep opening them. What the fuck is that? Goosebumps book. This is clearly not a good idea. Okay, I'm doing this for science. If this situation is happening to you IRL, do not do it. But I must know where my gift is. Cole! Aw, Cole! I was getting so many cool things. What a letdown. At least I can go home now that it's over. Oh, that's not Buddy the Elf. Presence amongst the present. Beneath the stable, colon still a haunting tale of festive thrill. Although the night was nearly done, you've opened presents one by one. But then the joy turned into fright, for something darker filled the night. The elves so merry appeared with glee, their laughter twisted despite your plea. Ending 1 of 3. Okay. Oh. Hold on, this game has like a whole thing. Let's see.
Okay, we're gonna get all 3 endings today. What do?
Blah 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 blah, yap yap yap, yap 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 yap, you're just yapping, Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna update the blog real quick. Whew. That'll do. Nobody reads this thing anyways. The boss really thinks the social media idea of this is going to take off. I dissociate. Oh, CCT footage? Okay. Shut down. Alright. It's not too bad. The wind always fluctuates wildly up here in the hills. At least things are relatively calm today. I don't want all the snow blowing up in my face. Hold on. Okay. Let me in, let me in, let me in. Let me out. Okay, Reindeer. What's this? That's way too cold for my liking. I'm not covered in fur though. Nature's just crazy like that, I guess. I didn't read the first part. Alright, apricot, follow me. Stay, apricot. Okay, Mrs. Antlers, follow me. We get really close. Do female reindeer actually have antlers? Although, if I'm not mistaken, come on, Coco Bongo. Reindeer are basically caribou. So I thought. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Where's number 8? This is not good. I better find this missing reindeer. Missing reindeer? Oh, something let him out. I don't know which one it is. It's a big cat probably got it. Oh! Reindeer tracks. Not good. Where's the reindeer? Ah, there you are. There you are. Let's get you back to the enclosure. Come on, Mr. Antlers. Your wife is waiting for you. I haven't seen the elf yet. That's all of them. I have 45 minutes left. I'm not gonna water. Okay, I glitched it. My bucket's gone. There's that fucker. Okay. Oh, the reindeers are shut inside. There's no reason to do this now. Okay. Make a weather report. Yeah, I thought so. If we're gonna shut the reindeer inside, why would we feed them outside? Brr, it's getting really chilly tonight. My hands are going numb. I know there's a lot that needs to get done, but I might grab a quick little break. I could really do this nice hot drink to warm me up. Not happening. Ignoring that. Ignoring that. Let's call my friend. Wait, don't answer. Wasting my time. Hello, it's me. How's it going? Fine, I guess. What's up? Nothing really, just calling to chat. I was watching the top 100 Christmas gifts earlier tonight. Some are pretty cool stuff on there. Did you catch it? What are you on about? Shouldn't you be at work? I am at work. When did that show even start? I thought your shift started at 7. I did. I was a little late. Oh, was your boss cool with that? Yeah, I'm sure he would be. It's Christmas, a season of goodwill. Haha, well, let's hope that goodwill extends into next season. You wouldn't want to be stuck job hunting all year again. Nah, I'm the best employee. You're his only employee. As I said, his best employee. So why are you bumming around on the phone with me if you're so fantastic? Merry Christmas to you too. As it just happens, I was just about to say goodbye. I can't have you frittering away my time. Oh, that's right, blame me. I'll leave you to it then. Bye-bye. How much time did that take up? What do you get if you eat Christmas decorations? Tinselitis? What? Wait. Are you guys seeing that? Dude. Is that old man not seeing the elves? You seeing this shit? What am I supposed to do? Help! Where are those little fuckers at? You did nothing. Everything should be on now. What? Is it this old lady? I'm not. Time for wrapping. Whoa! Game Boy. To whom should I address my gift to? I'm gonna give my friend the Game Boy. I know they will love this. I'm worried that they'll never shut up about those little pocket monsters, though. Alright. A movie? To whom should I address this to? Maybe my boss. The Man with the Green Face. What a stupid name for a film. Still, they went and saw it at the cinema 14 times last year. Who am I to judge? Okay, what am I giving my mom? I'm gonna pretend that I don't have this. Shut the fuck up. Tim Shedris, mother, you're getting a Furby. This will be her third one. She calls them her fur babies. There's no accounting for taste. Oh, fuck. See you, you fucker. Bye. My shift is over. I sure could have gotten more done. Blah blah blah. Yap yap yap. Merry Christmas all. Yap yap yap. Yap yap yap. Grab your bag from the hut. Let me in. I'm ignoring that. I'm ignoring it. Didn't see it. Go home. Oh, hi. So stupid. This game's kind of cool. Driving home for Christmas. The car sputtered and the ignition died, a sinking terror being trapped inside. The air fell still as the elves drew near. Excitement hung with a sense of fear. With their circle formed and the plan complete, you hear a giggle from the back seat. Turn in dread, fate's shadow cast. This Merry Christmas would be your last. Alright, weather report first. The wind always fluctuates, and at least there's relative calm. I don't want all this snow on my face. Okay. And then temperature. Brr. Okay, and then I had to find the rain one. Okay, so the rain one's in a different spot. That's why I was stuck. This one will need replacing by the looks of it. Luckily, I noticed a couple of spares in the staff hut. I should replace it while the power to the Christmas lights is off. Oh, okay, okay. So I thought that was just a game thing. Oh! Found it. Okay, now I can go report it.
Turn on.
Excel. All done. It sure does get wetter and wilder every year, huh? The reindeer seem to enjoy it at least. Okay. Now I'm going to fix the candy can light. That should do a job well done, though it's a bit hard to tell without power. Okay. Now I just need to find the last mystery job. Oh my gosh, what? Where did this come from? Is somebody playing a prank on me? Creepy. Well, I'm snowbored. I bet I can make this into a fine snowman. Find a snowball for your snowman body. Okay, I've been playing this for like an hour and a half, trying to figure out how to get the third ending. This is something new, so I have to find a snowball. Oh. snowman. Looking good. Actually, he still looks a little off. I think he's missing something. Oh well, I'm sure it'll come to me later. It's a carrot in the nose. I see, fucker. Okay. He's missing the carrot. I was wondering what the carrot troughs were for. Complete my snowman. Beautiful. This might just be the crowning achievement of my career. It's a long off season, buddy. Let's hope we're both still around to see each other in the new year. Cool. Snow vine. Okay, that's the only new thing. Hopefully that contributed to the third ending. Ah! They locked me in here for the big zillionth time. Something feels wrong. Can't place my finger on it. Maybe I should quickly check on this CCTV footage. That's new. Milk and cookies. Turn on. Snowman? What? Wait a minute. What? Where are the reindeer? Oh, the reindeer are gone. Uh-oh, this is gonna get me fired. I can't leave now. I have to find them and bring them all back safely. Oh, fuck. I gotta find... I lost like 7, 8 reindeer. Motherfucker, I left the gate open on accident. I'm coming for you, reindeer. What the fuck? What? It was Rudolph. Are they evil? They're evil. Santa? Bye. I need those reindeer. Are we sure that's Santa? Did I get the good ending? Me. Yahoo. Mr. and Mrs. Antlers. Liche, Apricot, Coco, Bongo, Gertrude, and Keith too. Even old Barney. Where are you going? Am I going crazy? Did I really just see what I think I just saw? No. No, that's impossible. Huh? Here it comes again. Nah, that's real chat. You're so cute. They're not murdering me. Merry Christmas. Oh. An hour and 40 minutes later, and I finally got the third freaking ending. And to all a good night. The stable was empty, the reindeer were gone, a panic set in as you hurried along, deep in the woods, a sight to behold, a magic Christmas about to unfold. A Santa rises high in the sky, Merry Christmas to all, you hear him cry. The night is filled with festive cheer to celebrate the triumph of the flying reindeer. Okay, so that was Reindeer Games. As you can see, I finally got all of these little ditties down here. That took me about an hour and 40 minutes to do that, to get all 3 endings and do all this shit down here. So, yeah, I really hope you liked the video. And, Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas. Say bye to the reindeer. I don't know which one this is. Bye, reindeer. Bye. Bye-bye, reindeer.